Hey everyone, it's Lindsay with Ellie and Mac Patterns. Today I want to show you a hack I did to the Sarah wide sleeve sweater pattern. Now I live in these. I have all kinds from like thinner material to like nice chunky sweatery type material, but I love loose fitting flowy clothing. I just love how confident I am in the Sarah wide sleeve sweater. I'm gonna change and I'm gonna show you what I did with some beautiful woven fabric with a border along the bottom. It's light and airy and perfect for summer, and I think you're gonna like it. This is how it turned out. I mean, I am loving this. I had no idea it would turn out looking this good. I love the balloon sleeves. It's gonna be airy and perfect for the hot weather. Plus, I can just pull them up if I want, which is nice. I really like the border. I just wasn't really sure what to do with this at first, but then it just hit me this morning and I thought, yeah, this is perfect. So what do you think? I used a facing. Otherwise, I cut everything the same and I really, really love it. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you're gonna try it, because I really think you should.